Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you my product purchase premiere from the 2019 Occasions and 2019 Celebration catalogs. I'm so excited about the new products that are going to be available to us and the new cling sets. So let me set this aside and I'll show you what's in my box. Okay, the first thing I wanted to share with you is our Craft and Carry Stamp Aratus bag. I'm so excited about this. This gives us the ability to protect our stamp Aratus while we're carrying it to different places to stamp. You've got an elasticized pouch here that's padded to protect things, and pockets on the other side to hold your plates and additional items, along with a shoulder strap that is detachable, and of course 2 handles. And I love the fact that it zips all the way around so that it lays flat for you to access things. Okay, on to some of the suite of products. We've got some wonderful options coming up in the 2019 Occasions catalog for masculine cards. This suite happens to be the classic garage suite, and it is filled with wonderful things for making those masculine cards. Not only do we have this wonderful geared up garage stamp set with this cool little car that every guy will like, we've also got coordinating dies. We've got this gorgeous ribbon with that stripe down the center of silver, and these wonderful little embellishments, keys and wrenches. Super cool for cards and even scrapbook layouts. And of course, a complete pack of 6x6 designer series paper with tons of patterns to choose from. So this pack of paper packs a wallop and has all kinds of designs. You're going to love it, and the colors are just rich and beautiful. The All My Love Suite is a wonderful suite for Valentine and love cards. The first set I'm going to show you is the Meant to Be Mine, and it's got these wonderful heart images along with heart framelit dies. I'm so excited about these, and they're stitched, so they're going to be wonderful, along with some wonderful fonts. It also contains this Forever Lovely, which has this beautiful floral image, and again some fonts with some lovely script, along with some cool edgelit dies that you're going to love. Coordinating ribbon in lipstick and coral, some embellishments, some epoxy heart droplets, which you can color with our blends. And you've got this wonderful pack of designer series paper. This paper is filled with floral images in addition to your traditional hearts that you can use for Valentine's Days. So it's really versatile, and I just love the color combinations in this pack. Soft and sweet. The Needlepoint Nook suite comes with a stamp set that creates images that look like actual stitched items. These are our distinctive stamps that are actually like a photograph of what you see, along with some framelit dies and these sweet little buttons to add some texture to your projects, in addition to our old olive linen thread. I just am so excited about this linen thread. And of course, our designer series paper for this suite is rich and beautiful and has this wonderful embroidered look to it. And you've got tons of patterns to choose from. They're bright, bold, fun patterns, and they're going to be perfect for our card makers who also love to sew. The Happiness Blooms suite of products is filled with bright, bold images and colors, and I think you're really going to love it for spring card making. It's got this wonderful stamp set that has all these different parts, so it's a 2-step, and this image here, if you can see, put 2 of them together, and to me they look like butterfly wings. There's also an embossing folder with these bright, bold dots, some beautiful calypso coral ribbon, some enamel dots in colors to match the suite, and 4 fun itty-bitty punches to work with our set. The suite also has Memories and More products that coordinate with it, along with a special pack of envelopes and note cards that will coordinate with your Memories and More cards to make card making quick and easy if you're not a memory keeper and do scrapbooking. And of course we have this beautiful bold set of designer series paper that coordinates with this product. I think you're really going to love the fun images on this, and Of course, our papers are double-sided so that you've got lots of patterns to choose from. On one side you have the floral images, and on the other you've got this wonderful graphic design. So that's a lot of fun, and I'm looking forward to working with this. The Gingham Gala Suite is filled with wonderful images of butterflies and a fantastic new punch that we have, along with the beautiful Whisper White flax ribbon and adhesive back sequins. And I love these little flowers. Layer them or use them alone. They're going to be fantastic. It also has some coordinating designer series paper. Gingham is all the rage this spring, and so we have multiple colors of gingham in this package that come in different size patterns. So you're going to love that. And of course, the cardstock pack that comes with each of our suites makes coordinating quick and easy, since it's an economical choice that coordinates all your colors for you. And now on to a few goodies from Celebration. I'm so excited about our recruiting special this year. When you join Stampin' Up, you can get this beautiful craft supply bag that matches our Stamparatus bag. It's got these beautiful details and a lovely 30th anniversary leather tag, and then it's got multiple compartments that can hold all kinds of goodies for you. Bags and zippered pockets, side pockets. There's a beautiful zippered back pocket, and you can fill it with all kinds of goodies. This bag is going to be a lot of fun to use since it holds our trimmer and all kinds of tools for when you're stamping with friends. So let me show you some of the stamp sets and other items that you can earn. Okay, the first thing I'm going to share with you is the designer series paper. This happens to coordinate with our butterflies, and on one side it is black and white, and on the other side you've got these wonderful patterns to choose from, and our punch will even work with this. And then there are the wood elements that we have for Celebration that coordinate with the stamp set and the Celebration items, so I think that's really cool. Stamp sets. We've got some wonderful choices. There's the fun and quirky, like the So Hoppy Together. There's a beautiful stamp set, Lasting Lily, and I can't wait to start creating with this. It's got some wonderful sentiments to it. The Lovely Lattice, which is our new cling stamp type. And then Hello Cupcake, the photopolymer. And this is going to be a lot of fun for quick and easy birthday cards this spring. I hope you've enjoyed my sneak peek of the 2019 Occasions and Celebration catalogs. And of course, if you'd like a 2019 Occasion catalog or more information about joining my team, the Blue Mountain Stampers, email me your name, address, and phone number, and I'll be happy to send you one. Thanks for joining me.